My name is Harrison. I am the Chief Operating Officer at the Luxury Pergola. So the design of the product is kind of two factors. The original idea of the design and the louver shape primarily was all my father. A lot of the details in the louver that differentiates us from a lot of different people is actually my father's original concept of the pergola. What I'm really good at is executing from his vision. So he usually has an idea of how he wants something designed, like our trim options are all things he wants, and he asks, okay, how can we do that? And then he and I will fine tune the actual design of it from a practical standpoint. So once he has an idea for it and a general concept, then we go ahead and implement it. From a design standpoint, we designed it together outside of the louver, and I pretty much just put the practical part of the design. Here at the Luxury Pergola, our main goal is to make sure that we can transfer our own enthusiasm about the product and our ability to deliver a quality, precise product to a customer so they can feel it when they build it. When they put it together, we want to make sure they see that same level of dedication and enthusiasm and have that enthusiasm, hopefully, after they build it, that they are excited about it, ideally tell their neighbors, but to make sure that they feel that as well, especially when they go out and sit under it and enjoy it for dinner or something.